If you're a university student in 2026 and you're not using AI tools, you're working twice as hard as you need to. I tested the best AI tools available right now, specifically for students, and in this video, I'm giving you the 7 that will actually save you hours every single week. From research and writing to studying and presentations, and most of them are completely free. Let's get into it. First up, ChatGPT. You've heard of it, but most students are only using 10% of what it can do. Stop using it just to write essays. Use it to break down complex concepts your lecturer explained badly. Use it to stress test your arguments before you submit. Ask it to play devil's advocate on your thesis. Set it up as a study partner that quizzes you before exams. ChatGPT on the free tier gives you access to GPT-4o. That's genuinely powerful. If you upgrade to Plus, you get advanced reasoning and file uploads. But start free. It's more than enough. Tool 2 is Perplexity AI, and this one fixes the biggest problem students have with ChatGPT. Hallucinations. ChatGPT sometimes makes up sources. Perplexity doesn't. Every answer comes with cited, clickable sources you can verify and reference. For research papers, that's a game changer. Type in your research question, get a structured answer with real sources attached. You can go deeper on any point with follow-up questions. The free tier is generous. Think of it as a research assistant that never makes up a citation. Every student writing academic work needs this. Tool 3, NotebookLM by Google. This one is seriously underused by students. Upload your lecture notes, your PDFs, your readings. NotebookLM reads all of it and lets you have a conversation with your own source material. Ask it to summarize a 40-page paper in 5 bullet points. Ask it what your professor is likely to test you on. Generate a study guide from 3 weeks of notes in under a minute. And here's the feature most students don't know about. It can turn your notes into an audio summary. 2 AI hosts discuss your material like a podcast. You can listen while commuting. Completely free. Completely underrated. Tool 4, Grammarly. Before you skip this one thinking you already know it, hear me out. Most students use Grammarly as a spell checker. That's not what it's for. The free tier catches grammar, clarity, and tone issues that spell check misses entirely. The premium tier adds a plagiarism checker against billions of web pages, useful before any submission. It integrates directly into Google Docs and your browser, so it works everywhere you write. One important note, use it to improve your writing, not replace it. Lecturers can spot AI-generated text. Grammarly helps you sound like a better version of yourself. That's the right way to use it. Tool 5, Otter.ai. If you've ever left a lecture wishing you'd written faster, this solves it permanently. Otter records and transcribes your lectures in real time. Every word your professor says is automatically converted to searchable text. You can highlight key moments, add comments, and export the full transcript after class. The free tier gives you 300 minutes of transcription per month, enough for most students. Instead of frantically scribbling notes and missing the actual explanation, you listen, you engage, and Otter handles the documentation. Your notes become searchable, shareable, and reviewable. This one alone will change how you study. Tool 6, Canva. You probably already use it, but not like this. Students use Canva for slides and stop there. The free tier also gives you an AI presentation builder that turns your bullet points into a full deck in seconds. There's an AI image generator for visual assignments, a document builder for reports that need to look professional. And if your university has Canva for education, it's completely free with your student email, including features that cost money on the standard plan. Check if your institution is registered. If it is, you're getting pro for nothing. Stop making bland PowerPoints and start submitting work that actually looks considered. Tool 7, and this one most students haven't thought of, ElevenLabs. You know it as a voice generation tool, but here's the student use case nobody talks about. Take your essay, paste it into ElevenLabs, convert it to audio. Now listen to your own work read back to you while you're on the bus, cooking, or at the gym. You will catch awkward sentences, repeated words, and logical gaps that your eyes skip over when reading. It's the fastest proofreading method that exists. Beyond that, if you're doing a presentation and want to practice your script, generate an audio version and listen to the pacing. The free tier gives you enough minutes to make this genuinely useful. Link is in the description. So there you have it. 7 AI tools every university student should be using in 2026, ChatGPT for thinking and brainstorming, Perplexity for research with real citations, NotebookLM to turn your notes into a study system, Grammarly to sharpen your writing, Otter.ai to never miss a lecture again, Canva to make your work look as good as it reads, and ElevenLabs to proofread with your ears. All of these have free tiers. All of them work today. If this video saved you time, subscribe. I break down AI tools every single week so you always know what's worth using. ToolSignal, every tool, every edge, every day. Verified June 2026.